Hey guys, Rad Performance Swepco here. So today we're continuing with the wheel bearing. We had an issue that when we did it all said and done and plugged everything in and started it, it gave a hard code immediately. You turn the key, it was on. StabilitraK, traction control, ABS, everything came on the dashboard. You clear it with whatever scanner you want, it come right back. Now we finally got it to at least go off for more than 5 seconds, and it's staying off for the time being, at least until we put this thing together and drive it again. We ended up reusing the old GM harness. The new harness we forewent. We got it ohmed right. We messed around with the spacers because this had spacers, whereas the factory GM one did not. We were able to use an Allen T-handle and just swap this without taking apart any of the current assembly that we already installed. So we're going to go ahead and reassemble it. We have the new SKT bearing, which seems to have a different tone and tongue and groove than the factory one. But for whatever reason, it's not giving us an error right now. So we're going to go with the old GM harness, put everything back together and take it for a drive. And we're going to see if that's good enough to fix the problem. Okay guys, so here we are, we're driving it, swapping in the GM factory harnesses. Seem to have worked. No lights, and it's good enough for now. So see you in the next one. Hopefully this helps someone.